All right, in this video we are going to be looking at how to construct internal tangent to two equal circles. We have a question that we'll be looking at now. The question says two equal circles of diameter 40 mm are 70 mm apart from their centers. We are now asked to draw an internal tangent to the two circles. So in this video I'm going to be showing us how to draw internal tangent to two circles of equal diameter. So the first thing we are going to do now, we are going to be drawing the two circles of the given diameter. The circle diameter is 40 mm. Of course both are equal. So I will come this way now. I'm going to draw this. We produce this line this way. So I'm going to pick a point I will call C1. That is the center of the first circle, and we are told that the circles are 70 mm apart. Okay, so I'm going to measure 7. Okay, so which is going to give us the center of the second circle. So we call this C2. Then from C1 now I'm going to draw a vertical this way. Then we move to C2 this way. We draw this. Alright, so the next thing we are going to be doing now, we are going to be drawing the circle. So we are told that the circle diameter are 40 mm. So if it is 40 mm, I'm going to be using radius 20 because compass draw in radius. Okay, this is 20, so which will go this way and it will give me the 40. So I will place at C1, needle at C1 this way. Then I will draw this circle this way. I'll draw the circle this way. So we have the circle. So I will use same compass radius to draw for the second circle. So these are the two circles of equal diameter, and we are told that the circles are 70 mm apart. So what we are going to be doing now, we are going to be drawing tangent to these two circles. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be bisecting C1, line C1, C2, okay, to get the center of the line. So just extend your compass to any convenient radius or length. So we strike an arc this way, up and down. We strike an arc this way, up and down, like this and like this. Then we place the same compass length on C2. Okay, strike an intersecting arc this way. Okay, so I'm going to be joining the two points of intersection together. So I'm going to join them together this way. Okay, so we can call, let's call that point this, let's call this D. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I will take C1D. I'm going to bisect C1D. We also bisect C1D. Place needle at point C. Extend to any convenient length of your choice. Strike an arc this way. Strike an arc this way. Okay, then place on D now. I'm bisecting C1D. So we have this, we have this. So I'm going to draw, join the point of intersection together this way. Okay, so we see, take note of where the line, okay, meets this C1, C2. So let's call that point, let's call this point E. Okay, then from point E, now place my compass on point E. Okay, C1, I'm going to draw a semicircle. You can either draw the semicircle at the top like this or the bottom. So I want to draw it at the bottom. Okay, both are correct, any one of your choice. So which is going to meet this is going to meet D at that point. So I will have this. So I will have this. So then we are going to take note of where this semicircle cut this circle C1. So I'll take note of that point. So let's call that point F. Okay, let's call that point F. So let's just join C1F together with a thin line. C1F that way with a thin line. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to measure this FD. So I'll measure this FD. This is FD. Okay, the point, not the alphabet, not the letter. So this is our D. Okay, don't forget where the center we got earlier. So this is our D. Okay, now this center D, this is FD. Now we need to add this D, okay, to strike this circle. So I will strike that circle, so I can call that circle that point of arc here. I call it G. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be drawing a line to touch FG. So that will give us the internal tangent to the two circles. So I'm going to go this way. So by the time I draw, I will draw like this. Okay, so I'm going to produce the line this way. Okay, so you can see the internal tangent is touching both circles. So it's touching both circles. So this is internal tangent. This is our internal tangent. I hope this is clear. Thank you very much for staying tuned. See you in my next video.